Good morning, Legion. J1 signups are still open until the weekend, and we have crossed over 55 teams applying. We expect J1 to be spicy, perhaps because the winner of championship season will take home 5,000 NEAR. Our first story today is straight from the top of NEAR itself. Ilya drops a new blog on agentic payments and the role that intents play in place of blockchain transactions. As he writes, in the new world, where AI is our interface for computing, we envision that intents will be directly integrated with product sellers and payments. In the case of commerce, the user's AI issues intent and gets matched with the best products directly based on the search criteria. Ilya actually reinforces much of what he writes about in his blog in a shortened version on X in his conversation with friend of NEAR Mert. The evolution of NEAR intents is from a cross-chain DEX to the de facto DEX on any chain, and eventually beyond crypto assets for the best value exchange in general. Agents are the interface for decisions, while intents execute that judgment. If we take a step back for a second, we can see that NEAR intents is currently at $1.8 billion in total volume. This blog drops at a pivotal time in NEAR's AI development trajectory. What does Ilya see? Read the full blog to understand what comes next. Our next story of the day is on the topic of specialized LLM training outperforming generic models in a paper fresh from Brazil. This fits in line with Balaji's prediction of polytheistic AI, meaning a world where there are many specialized LLMs that operate for different functions and are specially trained and fine-tuned to perform a very specific set of tasks or services. NEAR's DCML strategy enables one of the world's most decentralized marketplaces for training, hosting, and sourcing compute for this diverse variety of models. This trend is not going to stop, it is only going to accelerate. In that sense, it's a great time to be focused on NEAR. There is a soft launch plan for this week of one of NEAR's AI products. Stand by for that. It's a step in the right direction and the very beginning of a very exciting product pipeline on NEAR. There's a very important live stream on Friday where the candidates for the head of governance role will be answering questions directly from the community, link included. And last but not least, the NEAR office in Lisbon is opening, also referred to as the Nest. If you're in the Lisbon area, be on the lookout. That's all for today. We'll do this again real soon.